Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be looking at the Downton Abbey of Central Virginia. Yes, this gorgeous 1901 Victorian home has been called that by people in the Central Virginia area. AVOCA Museum is located in Alta Vista, Virginia, about 20 minutes from Lynchburg. Welcome back to Go Go Gorman, where we bring you the best in family travel. If you like this video, please hit that like button and please subscribe to support our channel. Now, you're going to want to stay to the end of this episode because I'm going to have some very special information that you're not going to want to miss. Step inside the AVOCA Museum with me. First, we have this gorgeous entrance hallway. Look at this beautiful staircase, all these lovely wooden accents. And as we keep looking up the stairway, look at that balcony effect off to the left. Here we see the parlor. Man, it's just like we've gone back in time. We've time traveled to 1901 in this gorgeous Victorian home. Next, we're in the music room, where we'll be seeing a piano, I couldn't help but get a shot of the lighting fixture, this gorgeous brass chandelier hanging from the ceiling. And now we're going to take a look over to the right and we'll be seeing the organ that was also in the music room. Last but not least, the dining room at the AVOCA Museum. I have a brand new camera giving me incredible images. I wanted to show you this place setting up close. Now here comes the special announcement. Kentucky Derby Day at the AVOCA Museum. You're not going to want to miss this. It's an incredible event on May 7th from 4 to 8 p.m. Advance tickets are $20. However, you can also pay $25 at the door of the event. Please go to the AVOCA Museum website to get more information.